This is the first step. I'm getting there with something. So you can see I rolled it up, and now I'm going to jam it up inside of here. Real good. So now, with the chicken wire up inside of that tin, I guarantee them squirrels will not be able to climb up inside and chew out anything near the top of here. The only thing I have to worry about after all this work is that they will jump from the ground up to the tree. If they do, then I'm going to bring out my M60 and punji stakes, and I'm going to blow all of them away.